Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS. This is really a fascinating RV. I can't wait to show you the inside. Let's show you some of the outside goodness. Very nice wide pass-through storage. Let me back up and show you. Very nice wide. You have the docking station on the other side. Tandem axle that you can see right there. I do want to show you the outdoor kitchen. So we have a 2-burner flat top, a dormitory style and size refrigerator, and then around the back, very nice amount of storage here. And we'll show you that from the inside as well. So I want to get on the inside. Very nice, unique floor plan. I have not seen the 362 TBS. So this is my first experience with it. As we step inside, here we see our light. We also have additional storage, plenty of storage, nice planning station, nice deep countertop, and then we have deep drawers, 2 cabinets, a bank of 3 drawers in the middle. So lots of storage, cabinets above. Very nice refrigerator, and it's a French door refrigerator. And then the French door freezer on the left. Absolutely love this oven. Nice and beefy Furrion. Very nice size oven there. Microwave oven on top. Very nice center island. Dining area, theater seating, right in front of the fireplace as well as the TV. And then when we step into, so we have 2 bedrooms. We have this back bedroom with an extra bathroom, and I'll show you that in a moment. Very nice bunk area. Boy, if you're a kid, that is the cat's meow. So then, let me show you this setup. I showed you this from the outside, getting hung up here. Showed you this from the outside. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so kind of at a disadvantage. That is the ladder that goes up for the bunk. I'll straighten this up in a moment. We have a bank of 3 drawers here, very nice size drawers. Nice countertop. We have 3 more drawers here, 3 additional drawers there. And as far as if you have hang-ups, plenty of space for your hang-up clothes. And then when we back and swing around, very nice size bathroom here. Very nice. We also have a motion sensor light, and that's handy at night. We'll head back through the center and up the steps and into the bathroom, and then also the master bedroom. So we open the door to the bathroom. You have a corner radius shower. You have motion light there that just came on. We also have medicine cabinet. Here's a nice shower, and also we have it extended for the ceiling for taller folks. Single bowl sink, corner medicine cabinet. We have 2 closets. You can flip this up to accommodate your hang-up clothes, or you can use it as shelving. And then again, additional hang-up there. 2 very nice size drawers here. And then we have a bank of cabinets, very deep. And then these flip up. So let me hit my light so you can see it a little bit better. But that goes all the way through. You have a shelf here on top, USB and and let me hit my light there. USB and USB residential style. We have storage under the bed and a lot of storage. As you can see, a heck of a lot of storage. So the 362 TBS is such a unique floor plan. I really like it. Love to hear your comments, questions below. What you think of this unit. Oh, I did not show you. We also have the pantry, which I know is a big deal to a lot of people, and I would be included in that group. If you have the pantry, it makes such a big difference. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate their support. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.